Welcome back everybody. This morning, Town District Transport Trust event, 3rd of September 2022, and I'm with my bus. I'm just doing a full clean inside again. FD02SFN MERCEDES bus. See, cleaned. There's a change inside, but you know. Yeah. So the driver's seat. So you should start again today shortly. Annabelle Dawson come through the door. Pour on Mars. Because I wanted it, not green. For my area. Green for the rest, and then repaint it. It's a clear out. Free rubbish dispose of. Ooh. I know, other than that, to be honest, she's looking beautiful. As you'd expect from a bus this age. 20 odd years old. You can't complain about it, can you really? Need to buy some more strip bars because these ones are not working. That's my sleeping bag. That's my sleeping corner. As you can tell, there's panels need to start tonight, but that's the last resort anyway. I need to fix the batteries first.